Srivastava. Afternoon, Shesha this side, and thank you for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. With Nifty largely range bound in today's trading session at that 24,180 mark, what will your view be both on Nifty and Bank Nifty at this point in time?
So we are seeing some attempt for the market to really rebound over here, but I think it might not completely play out. 24,300 remains a key resistance area. I think unless we really surpass 24,300, odds are greater that we may dip towards 23,500 and test lower levels before we can have a further recovery in the market. So that is the setup I see on Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty may look a little better because it's got its averages moving up much higher and so on. But I would also there wait for it to get past around 58,300 before we can say that we are out of the woods, and keep open the possibility that we can get a dip towards 55,600 on the way down. So those are the risk rewards we are looking at right now. Unless we get a clear breakout, there is a possibility that the markets can still see a dip in the coming week.
Markets can see a dip in the coming weeks. That's the view coming in. But Mr. Srivastava, also wanted your view on the IT sector. Given the kind of performance that we have seen over the last few trading sessions, there has been a lot of buzz around IT. And today, of course, that stock is, that index rather, is declining in trade in an otherwise strong market. What will your view be on the Nifty IT Index today?
So I think it's near the highs for this bounce that we've seen. It's it started on around the 1st of July itself, the starting of the month, and we've seen it come up from around 25,700 all the way. It moved up to 29,300 odd, and now it's down a little bit from there. But I think the high that we made yesterday might be the top for this bounce back so far. I mean, unless we cross that, the odds are slowly shifting towards a further line from there. So let's just say that if I take 29,300 as the top end as a stop loss, then I would think the IT index might again head back down towards 25,000, breaking the recent lows in the coming week. So I think the IT sector remains weak. It remains a sell-on rise, and we've had a good rise. So therefore, the risk reward is probably quite favorable to the sellers over here.
Reward in favor of sellers, that's the word coming in, and that's the view coming in on the IT sector. But Mr. Srivastava, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now and sharing your thoughts not only on the markets but on individual sectors that are in focus today.